What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. I'm at the Citadel Mall because man, this place used to be dope, and we've seen them be dope like what, a month ago or something. So we still gotta check. Let's go see what they got. I don't know. Well, let's hope. All right, I kind of did screw up. A little late. I think it's what, 20 or 30 minutes after they opened. Man, like usually the resellers got everything, but let's go check. Maybe they might have something dope in the back. We'll see. Damn, you never see it this empty. This is like super empty. Wow. Curious to see how empty the shelves are. Okay, it does look like it's been picked over. Yeah, because we do see empty portions in the shelf. Do got 20% off the back wall here. Okay. I don't think they mean off of footwear. I think they mean the back wall. Starting with the biggest sizes, the free ones, going for freaking $40, and you get that extra discount. Not really seeing anything any bigger than that. Well, these Jesus sandals go for $25. There is a size 15 right here. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $140. PG's going for $90 right here. PG 5s. Team Bank colorway. More size 13s. Got blazers, $100. Right next door, the Uno colorway of the Zoom Freak 3s going for $120. Kyrie 7s. I haven't seen these in a while. $130 for these. One of the few big ones, size 15. Some Huaraches, size 12.5, go for $75. That's not bad. Size 13, this is pretty dope colorway of the Zions. It is retail though, but goes under $100 after the discounts. Not bad. Size 11, $165 for the Air Max 2017s right here. Got a couple Jordan 7s. We'll get these for retail right here, or actually under retail. My bad, 20% off. That's not bad. $40 off. So yeah, bucks. That would be a little under $160. Not bad. Are we back to seeing a bunch of retros here? Hopefully. I don't know what size I'm in because all the sizes are mixed up. Size 9, Air Max 90s. Get these for 20% off. This is one of the newer ones, so not too shabby. More of these Huaraches go for $75. That's a size 10. And these still going for retail. The Air Max 90, the polka dot one, still retail. What's up with that? Got a ton of these. Air Max 2017s. Those are all size 10, 10.5. Go for $165 still. Smaller PG. There's a 7.5 right here. There's also a size 8 right there. Both of those $90. Size 10 right here. Pegasus. Was it 38? Pegasus 38's going for $100. That's a size 10. I don't even know what size this is. Size 9.5. The Zoom Freaks. Zoom Freak 3's the latest model. Going for freaking $45. $45? Wow. I've actually never tried these on. I could actually fit a 9.5 on these? That's crazy. 9.5, really? Wow. I'm really surprised. I can't fit in too many 9.5s. These must run hella big. Wow. I don't even like the Zoom Freak 3s that much. I only have a pair of Zoom Freak 1s. I don't have any of the 2s. Not the biggest fan of these, but for $45 plus another 20% off, that's like 30 something bucks. $36 or something? Damn, maybe just for hoops. Maybe for hoops, because I've been playing a little bit more hoops lately. Wow. Thinking about it. Have the Zoom Freak ones at home. These just don't feel super premium. Oh, go ahead. Yeah, they just don't feel premium at all. $35 though. Do they feel $35 good? Yeah, definitely. Dang, these are so mediocre looking. I just don't feel the tech. I don't feel any zoom, like Zoom Air. I don't feel like maybe I'll take the insole out when I get home. But for $35, man, I need these for hoops. $35. Well, do I need them? But like I would like them for hoops. We've seen a ton of these acronym blazers, 9.5. These are $140. Damn, dude. Torrance had these for what, $90? Then you got a discount. Wild Horse. I always thought that was a funny name. $50. Okay. You want to do some hiking and stuff? That's what's up. I was like, these ain't no Jordan ADGs. What the hell? These are Jordan ADGs. They're doing retail though. That's a size 9. think retail's what, $1.40 for those. Okay. React 270s going for 130. Black and white. React Myler size 9 going for 105. More Zoom Freaks. Seen a bunch of those here all along the bottoms. They have a bunch of size, what is it, size 8s, 9.5s, 9s. Ooh, what's this, Vapor? Oh, Alpha Fly next percent go for 219. Size 10 right there. Damn, that's a fire colorway too. Oh, do you got more size? Oh, these are more 8.5s. This song in the background, that so reminds me of Madden. What was it, like Madden 2002? 2000, I don't know. I spent a lot of time on that one though. But yeah. Tempo next percent Flyknits go for 110. Do get 20 off. More of these. The Zions right here. Man, I kind of wish I got the black and white ones. These actually, I'd probably take these too if they were really good price. Soldier size 8 go for 120. What are these? The Air Max Pre-Days go for 70. Oh, they got a bunch of these Next Nature things. I didn't know. I knew the Dunks. I know they had those for the Dunks. I didn't know they have these for the Free Run 5.0s. Okay. $50 for those. Size 8s. Air Zoom GTs. So some serious basketball sneakers. $1.70 for those. That's retail. Size 6.5. Do got some Air Force One Unos. All right, let's check out the aisle, see what they got. Let me post this deal on Instagram real quick. That's like the only thing I really found that's super dope. So let me post that on Instagram to let people know. Did miss out on these. Damn, I was too late. Man, I did have these Air Max 95s. This is size 7.5 left over. They were selling these for $55. I was so busy going through the damn clearance section, I missed it. Probably would have gotten my size. It is a B grade though. It is a B grade. Yeah, just what it is. I don't really need. I don't have any Air Max 95s though. But oh well, they did have a size 10. Oh, I do. I have the neons. Never mind. I have the best colorway. Never mind. So all the resellers, they grabbed all of them. I don't blame them. $55. Damn, that was just hella cheap. Do got the Hydro 6s right here. Trey 5.8s. Soldier, what is it? Soldier 14. Kyrie Low Team Banks. Going for $49. Wow, that's definitely a steal. $49.97. Wow. Fly Traps. Witnesses. These are the Witness 5s. Another one of those. Then some Soldiers. Soldier 14s. They're all spread out. What the hell? On the other side, got another Soldier 14. Oh, wait. That's the same one as over there. Like, why are they all spread out? I don't understand. More Witness 5s. Another one of those. And then this definitely is an interesting colorway of the Soldier 14s. Another Soldiers right there. Air Max 2017s. Killshot 2 leathers. Seen a ton of these. Seen these for hella cheap at some spots. Go for $100 here. Wow. Dude got some Tailwinds. These are some SEs, I guess, with some better material right here. Going for cheaper. That's pretty clean. And this is the ones I missed out on. There is a size 8 that nobody wanted. 270 Reacts. Some mids right there. Some jumbo mids. Nike Venture Runner. Monarchs right here. Defy All Days. Fake Monarchs. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. Invincible Run Flyknits going for way too much. Because we've seen these for hella cheap. Oh, I've seen it for like $100, I think, a couple spots. Pegasus 37s. Some Shield versions right here. More 37s. Another one of those. 36s. Not as comfortable, but black and white. And then a bunch of these 38s right here. There's a few more. Then the React Mylers right here. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. I think this is the last one in the men's section right here. Is that Neo in the background right here? All right, let's go check out the women's section. We haven't seen the women's section in a while. The men's clearance is pretty whatever. The clearance apparel, that is. So yeah, let's check out the women's section, see what they got. Starting with the bigger sizes, size 12. Size 12, which is what, 10.5 men's. Interesting colorway of the Air Max 2017s. $1.16 for those. Still got some of these. Man, we used to see these like crazy at the outlets. Also at the clearance store. $70 for the Air Force One Chrome. Actually not Chrome, the copper version. Chrome ones right here go for $70. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits go for $100 right here. Size 12. Let's see what size this is. The Pixels, the Air Force One Pixel, size 10.5 right here. Retail though, man. 11.5 right here, go for $85. Pegasus 38. It's not bad because it's 20% off. React Myler 2 Shields, regular price though. Size 10 Air Max 90s, that is fire. $75. That's a size 8.5 men's. 75 bucks. You do get that extra 20% off. That is fire. That's what's up. There's also a size 9.5 right next door. That's marked $110. So if I see something like this, I'm like, hey, can you scan it? Because I think it's going for 75. And then even if it does come out regular price, I'd say, hey, give it to me for 75. That's right there. Oh, the pixels, apparently they are going for $70. Okay, that's a size 12. Court Royales, these are size 8, go for $30. These don't look great, but $30, and then you get that discount. Was that 24 bucks? SB Charge Canvas going for 50. This is size 11 right here. Just like downstairs, it's the same. Like everything's just out of whack. Nothing's where it's supposed to be. Size 11 right here. Go for regular price. These are Alpha Fly Next Percents. Jordan Maze, size 5.5. It says retail though. Next Percents, Tempo Next Percent, size 8 going for $2. Pegasus 38's going for, these are size 9.5, $120. Air Force One Creator Fly Nets, super light. Probably impossible to clean the top. Yeah, $110 for those. That's size 8.5. More of these Jordan Mays go for $100. $180. Damn, that's size 8. Size 9. All right, let's go check out the aisles. These are going for regular price, $40. What? They have the black one as well. These slides are a little bit cheaper. The Victory One slides. Another one of those. And a third colorway. Benassi slide right here. These are way harder. But it does come with a faux carbon fiber top right there. Is this a hologram one? Yeah, got a little hologram going on. Okay. Normally 45 down to 20. The Suna slides here. Okay. These are normally like 50 bucks, 60 bucks, right? Okay. Dude got some blazers. These are actually pretty dope. Colorway is definitely interesting because it's like the top, like they're all different. Wow, yeah, they're all different. That's weird. I'll cut that in the back. Okay. Platforms, those are the higher ones. Crater Impacts, another one of those. Dang, got the OG look on these with the nice suede. MD Runner 2s. Fontankas, Air Force One Fontankas. This is the one with React inside. Air Max 2017, all black. This does have the reflective Nike swoosh on it. Looks like I'm in the running shoes area. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Vaporfly Next Percent. Couple colorways. Alpha Fly Next Percent. That is Nike's top dog. Best running shoe. Retail though, man. That's crazy. Retail's $275 though, not $300. Invincible Run Flyknit. Pegasus 38. This does have that wonderful full-length React. Does have zoom airbags as well. The women's and the men's PSI are different. I think the women's PSI is like 15, the men's is 20. So the women's should be a little softer, a little less or more cushiony. Yeah. Another Pegasus 38 right here, and some 36s. And this is the last one in the women's. Still got the Jordan 10 women's backpack going for $40. It's like a mini backpack. Never mind, mini backpack. So that was 20% off. And then I guess I'll look here. I don't think I'm going to film much because we haven't found much the last couple times I've been here. Like these Chargers polos are normally 75 down to 70 bucks. You did get 20% off, but that's still not that much of a discount. Yeah, just not much. All right, let's wrap it up. Let's get out of here. Oh, actually, let me pay for my shoes. And let's get out of here, dude. So I did come here just to see if they have any more, but nope. They put 2017, so it looks like they're refilling this spot with Air Max 2017. So like, okay. Looks like that was the last one. They do have that. Oh, this is a size 8 though. They still have that display. All right, so we did pick up these Zoom Freak 3s. After tax, it was a $39.66. So wow. So it's 36 bucks plus tax. That's what's up. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. That was actually a really good trip. Did find the Zoom Freak 3s. The resellers, they were able to grab those, the Air Max 95s. I didn't really need any. Would I have got one? I don't know. I would have been 50-50 because I'm really trying to shrink down my sneaker collection. 50 bucks though, that's a freaking steal. They definitely came up. Definitely don't blame them. But yeah, that's how it goes. You guys got to be quick. I was looking in the clearance store, or I was looking in the clearance section, and I guess I spent too much time on there. I should have done a walkthrough. Usually I do a walkthrough just to see if there's anything hype, but I missed it. It is what it is, you guys. But like I said, I don't know if I would have gotten them anyways. They definitely got a steal, and yeah, that's how it goes. Clothing, kind of whatever. The women's section, it was all right, but man, the men's section was pretty dope. That was pretty dope. I don't know if everybody appreciates that, but that was freaking dope. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much I appreciate that. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Yeah, can't thank y'all enough. But yeah, got plenty coming. If you're new to the channel, go press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. And yeah, like I said, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.